Means you completed or not, that's why. Definition you completed. Then examples. Okay, you finished that one. Okay, fine. I'm giving just examples, please you make a note down. Argon 40, potassium 40, calcium 40. Clear? Even you can take example C14, N14. Mass number is same. Next, I think so. Isotones, sir. Please, you can note down isotones also. Iso means same. That is the word you have to keep in mind. Bar means mass number. Isotones. Next one, please note down. Iso means same. Tone means neutrons, sir. Which one have same number of neutrons? Those we called isotones. Please write. Note down sentence. Everyone. Only one line sentence is. Please. Some atoms of different elements contain. Okay, some background voice we are getting. Are here raining? That is a problem, sir. Fully raining here. So rain sound very difficult to reduce that one. Too much difference means disturbance means let me know that one will try something. My voice is not audible. Okay. That's why I'm writing screen, sir. Please look into screen. Somewhat you can manage because rain we can't stop now. I don't have that much power. So that's why please try to understand. Fine. I can write on screen. Please check it. Some atoms of different elements. Then wait 2 minutes. I will shift place. Maybe get it. Just minutes. Please wait 2 minutes. గుర్తు పడుతున్నట్టుంది అలా ఇది చిక్కి పడుతుందా బట్టేది ల్యాప్టాప్ పడకూడదు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నా వస్తాను Sorry for the disturbance. Few minutes. Actually, I'm shifting. Actually, training outside. Now my voice is audible. Please, can you check it? If any disturbance, let me know that one. Better somewhat. Wait, give me that one. Still, that is also you can reduce that one. What you need? Isotones definition we didn't discuss now. I'm writing on screen. Please note down isotones definition. Some atoms of different elements. I'm writing screen, sir. Some atoms of different elements contain the same number of neutrons. Okay, these isotones. Some atoms of different elements contain the same number of neutrons. Those we call isotones. Yesterday I didn't explain properly which is atomic mass, all the things. Please note down. So which is we are going to discuss. Atomic mass symbol K is nothing but protons plus neutrons. So proton nothing but Z atomic number, that you may can say Z plus N, sir. N is the neutrons. Clear? Any element symbol is like this. Element symbol you can write Z here, A here, or element Z and A. A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number. I hope already discussed that one. Now please, yesterday suppose you didn't understand, please note down all these things. Number of neutrons equal to, from this formula, sir, what we can write? Mass number minus atomic number. Is it correct? Mass number minus atomic number. Please, now we can calculate number of neutrons. Please check it. This is silicon 1430. Calculate the proton symbol. Neutrons, please write. Protons here 14. Neutrons how many, sir? 16. 30 minus 40, sir. Number of neutrons equal to mass number is 30 minus 14. How much will you get? 16. Yes, yes, whatever you can calculate doesn't matter here. There is no restriction. I'm giving few examples how to understand. Then anything is possible, sir. Here, here 15, 16. Here 16 atomic number. Here also 16. So they have all are same neutrons. That's we call these are isotones. Then the test portion we can cover even tomorrow also. I think, sir, up to Rutherford model, all these things we can repeat. But you can keep in mind, previous syllabus also is there, sir. We'll try to complete something here, wave number, all these things. You can see up to how that is. Atomic structure also introduction is there. Introduction means we are going to be covered by Friday maximum. Then previous thing also, sir. You will give questions from stoichiometric abstractions. That is common, sir. Previous questions will come. That is also common plus extra portion. This is. Now write isoelectronics ions. Iso means same. Electronic means electrons. Please write. These have same number of electrons. Same number of electrons. Count, sir. Li 2 plus. Li plus. Right. Number of electrons. How many electrons here? Lithium plus. Please tell each one how many electrons. Sunday test question up to which we are going to be covered by Friday. Let you know tomorrow 100% by seeing that paper. 2 electrons. Li plus means lithium have 3 electrons supposed to be. Using a electron, that's the reason plus we are getting. So 3 electrons. Now here 2 electrons. So 2 only remains. Okay, fine. How to calculate number of electrons? Very good, sir. Don't worry that one. Everything is going to be explained. This is 2 electrons. Here 2 electrons. Here 2 electrons. Now I am explaining how to calculate electrons. Number of electrons equal to atomic number for neutral atom. For neutral atom. Please note, sir. You don't know, please note down, you people. Already known people, that's fine. But remaining people who are not able to do these things, please note down. Neutral atom. To discuss, but not express your doubt. Huh? Otherwise, I don't know. Maybe I thought you know that everything, then I'm going like that. See, number of electrons. Suppose, for example, lithium. Lithium is a simple symbol, sir. Whatever atomic number, that is equal to number of electrons. Then carbon, whatever atomic number, 6 electrons. Oxygen, whatever oxygen atomic number, 8 electrons, like that. If you are writing any charge, sir, for example, lithium plus meaning they lost 1 electron. So it contains 2 electrons, 1 electron less. How much plus? That many you have to write number of electrons less. For example, magnesium 2 plus. How many electrons less, sir? 3 electrons less. Magnesium atomic number is 12, but 3 electrons less means 10 electrons you have that one. Whatever positive charge, that is you have to take minus. That many electrons less. For molecules already we done redox reactions, so don't worry that one. Right now, molecules also you can calculate. I will give that is also. First we got how to calculate electrons. Kanish, KNMS Kanish. How to calculate electrons. Kanish not responding. Understood or not? So now we can see here Na plus calculate number of electrons. Mg plus aluminum 3 plus. Atomic number 11, 12, 13 is the atomic numbers. What is the total number of electrons? Each one how many electrons? Actually, you're fully raining. Even this much of internet also very difficult. Fully raining. Okay, that's right. Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Nellore, Andhra Pradesh, fully raining. Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Yes, my laptop, something is recorded, everything is good now. Intensity of rain also is there, na, somewhat big or less. Even I am staying small city, you can't expect that much. Everything. Try to understand my situation is not that much very developed that one. Huh? Yeah, I am teaching from Nellore district, but even Nellore not district, little bit village. Huh? Sudarshan, not belongs to. Yes. Whenever our school started, I'm going to be come back Trichy. Now we can see here total of 1 plus means we can remove 1 electron, sir. So 11 minus 1, this is 1, sir. So 10 electrons. 12 minus 2, 10 electrons. 13 minus 3, charge you can minus, sir. 10 electrons. Understood? Please count that. One more example I am giving. CLS S minus 2. I will give atomic numbers also. Mostly you are busy people, some people remember people mainly. I will provide thing S minus 2, Cl minus 1, argon. Count total number of electrons. 16, 17, 18. These are the atomic numbers. For minus, we have to add extra electron. 16. 16 how much negative charge? That much you can add, sir. These are extra electrons. So total 18 electrons. Yes, plus 1, 18 electrons. Here, neutral atom equal to 18 electrons only directly. 18 plus 0 electrons. Yes. All these are isoelectronic species. All these are isoelectronic. Array minus means you have to add electrons. Plus means you have to subtract. Understood? Isosters. Right. Molecules having the same number of atoms. Now check it. Screen is visible or not? Everything is clear or not? Yes, sometimes you need to check your signal also, not only me. Huh? Sometimes you need to check. మీరు కూడా నెట్ ఆన్ చేయండి, మీరు కూడా నెట్ ఆన్ చేయండి, మీరు కూడా దీన్నే ఛార్జింగ్ అడుగుతా నా ఫోన్లో. Completed, let me know that I will give you examples. Now we can check it here. Examples I am giving, sir. Just read that statement, then apply. CO2 and N2O. Both have number of atoms and number of electrons. Here 3 atoms, sir. 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. Total 3 atoms. Number of electrons. Array CO2 contain how many electrons, sir? Carbon has electrons plus each oxygen 8 electrons to 2. How much? 16 plus 6, 22 electrons. N2O, sir. Nitrogen 7 electrons, but nitrogens plus 8 electrons. 14 plus 8, how much, sir? 22. So both have 22 electrons. Got it? So same number of electrons, same number of atoms. Please try to underline. Got it? Understood that example first? You understood your example? Sorry, which is a given example you understood? Can I move next? No? Okay. You can check it. Question is, please read statement, sir. First read your statement. Who are not understood, please read statement. Ritika, please read statement. What is the statement they given? Same number of atoms and same number of electrons. Is it correct? So CO2 contain how many atoms? I hope you know how to calculate number of atoms. Carbon is 1 atom, oxygen is 2 atoms. Total how many atoms? 3. Then similarly N2O. How many atoms? 3. Now counting of electrons. Carbon atomic number is 6. So it contains 6 electrons. Each oxygen 8 electrons. So 2 oxygens. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 6. How much total? 22 electrons. Please take into example properly. You only maybe are getting confusion. How many electrons counting only are getting confusion. Atomic numbers we can add. That is the only electron number. Just add atomic numbers of all the elements. Many atoms is that many times you can add atomic numbers. Just add atomic numbers. Can I move next? Next step. Can I move further? Right here one question is there. This is your NCRT example. NCRT problem 2.2, sir. Problem 2.2. If you have any source, please do that one. Right, chapter name atomic structure. We are discussing atomic structure. Chapter name is atomic structure. Please note down. Chapter name is atomic structure. Example NCRT example 2.2. Please refer. Structure of atom. Both are same. Same. Nothing is wrong. Structure of atom. Both are same, sir. Can you open everyone that question? If you are able to write, open means I don't want to write. If you are not open means I need to write. Number of electrons, protons, and neutrons. So assign the proper symbol of the element. Right, keep in mind atomic number never change, sir. Never change. You can't change atomic number. That is fixed always. So you can't remove protons. You can't change atomic number. Electrons 18. Protons 16. So fix that is 16 means that is sulfur only one element. Now Neutrons 16. What is the mass number A equal to? Protons plus neutrons. 16 plus 16, 32. What is the number of electrons? 18. So that should be 2 minus. 16 electrons plus extra electrons is there, sir, 2 electrons. So that's why 2 minus. Check it, please. If any doubt, you can ask. The page number, now page number is difficult. Actually, I have another book. In that book mention is the NCERT problem number 2.2. You may can check it either exercise or directly 2.2 example, sir. Otherwise, look at when I wrote anyway question number, you can check that. Doesn't matter now. Every question, everything is on screen. You can check it later. Available. Page number 36. They find, sir. Some students, please check it. Page number 36. Page number 36. So can I move next? I think so. Average weight, already you know that one. I don't want to give that one. Because 18 electrons they given. Na? Supposed to be 16 electrons is there. Atom can hold only 16 electrons, but they given 18. 18 means that is extra 2 electrons. That's why minus 2. We are writing minus 2 because sulfur can have 16 electrons, but 18 electrons they given means that should be extra electrons. That should be minus charge. Whereas 16 protons, 16 electrons, they can cancel each other. Positive and negative charge. Please check it. Your doubt I'm going to clarify again, please. Here there are 16 protons and 16 electrons. This is positive and negative. They can cancel each other. But here they are given extra 2 electrons, sir. That's why the 2 is 0 protons. Total 16 protons, 18 electrons. Out of 18, 16 will be cancel each other. Extra how much is there? 2. That's why I wrote 2 negative charge. Yes, it gained electrons. Correct. In fact, it's 2 only. Correct. Very well. You are correct only. Yes, you can ask your doubt. Devadarshan, directly can type doubt. No need to ask, sir, I have doubt. Just type your doubt. I will see that one. Fine. Next. Average atomic mass, I think so already I given in stoichiometry also. Again, I am giving, make him write. M average equal to M1, its percentage, X1 plus M2 X2 by X1 plus X2. So you make and write here. I think the same question already given, but again I am giving. Boron consists of 2 isotopes. One is 10.01 and other one is 11.01. Clear? And average atomic mass, M average equal to 10.81. So what is the percentage abundance? This X percentage This we make an assume 100 minus x%. You can calculate x value. So M average is 10.81 equal to 10.01 into x% plus 11.01 into 100 minus x by 100. By solving x value you can get, sir. This x equal to approximately 20. Then remaining is 80%. Yes, M is the resultant molecular weight. M average is the resultant molecular weight. Yes, you need to count only protons, mass number only, have to know that perfectly. If you know mass number protons, then you can do any type of questions which they are asking here. But keep in mind, if positive charge is there, they lost electrons. Negative charge means they can gain electrons. That's the only need to find out. Now one more question. Already we know this formula in our stoichiometry. Please look into the stoichiometry book. The mass number of three isotopes of an element are 11, 12, 13. Their percentage abundance (80, 15, and 5 respectively. What is the M average? Calculate. Correct answer. M average equal to 11 into 80 plus 12 into 15 plus 13 into 5 by 100. Solve it, will get 11.25. Instant you have Rutherford model. Actually now officially they removed that one. Rutherford model is not there. Which is new syllabus, they changed that one. What is the Rutherford model? You know that one already? Rutherford model. The atomic models. 10th standard, you know, na? 9th or standard, whatever. Gold file, correct, sir, correct. Can you read for tomorrow, that is Rutherford model? You have J.J. Thomson model also, Thomson model. You have Thomson model, only Rutherford model, you have that one. That is anyway not there. I won't teach that is. You can read that and come back. They removed officially. Plum pudding model, correct, sir. Thomson model, plum pudding model, plum pudding model. Maybe my pronunciation different. Please check it. These two officially they removed from our syllabus. Watermelon model, correct, correct. All these are same. If you want, you can read and note down some main points from that chapter, that models in your notes. We'll continue that one, sir. And for JE, they are not giving long time ago onwards questions. Still, that is in the book only. I'll drop experiments. You don't have all these things. Don't read that one. This in physics you are going to be learn. In chemistry you don't have all these things. Just Ford model and its whatever statements they give us enough. Two models I'm expecting from you. One is Thomson model and Rutherford model. If you are able to do these two, very good. Rutherford model, Thomson model. These two, read and come tomorrow. Gold file experiment and everything that is. That's make and read and come. Then you will go next directly. Next step, that is nature of electromagnetic radiation. Cathode, anode rays, we don't want to study anything. Either things that you are going to study in physics. So same chapter, 12th standard, atomic physics. You have that one chapter. That's you are going to be study, sir. Atomic physics. Clear? That's going to be study. At 1.25 average atomic mass. Please check and solve that is. Niels Bohr model is that we are going to study clearly. We are expecting if all these things read and come back, maybe we'll get few questions from J.J. Thomson Rutherford model, 1 or 2 questions. Then you can continue next electromagnetic wave, that is. I only studied 2. Only 2 models, J.J. Thomson model, directly model only you can study, and Rutherford model. Pranav, quantum theory just you are going to be studied, just not too much. You are going to be studying BE. If you join IIT or NIT, that's good. You are going to be studying more extended level. If you join local college, just you have to study again yourself. No one will teach that is. If you are going to be join any NIT or IITs, they may can teach something better. Here we don't have quantum theory, just introduction. What is the use of quantum theory? That much only are going to be studied. Clear? So next class we are going to discuss nature of electromagnetic radiations directly, sir. Rutherford model you make and try it. You can study and come. If you have any doubts, we'll discuss. I done NIT Warangal. Okay, I studied in NIT Warangal. Photoelectric effect, everything we are going to be studying. That's we'll study clearly. Nothing. Actual quantum theory belongs to physics only, but we are using in chemistry also a little bit. Everything related to physics, that is not chemistry, but they kept a little bit because atoms is related to chemistry. That's the reason we are going to understand. Pranav, which you are studying, that never going to be waste. That going to be using for physics. Ashwati Iyer, I will try for you soon. Mostly, okay. Alright, don't keep target only weekend test. Huh? Our target is final exam. Suppose syllabus is completed, then we don't want study back syllabus again. Don't think like that. Our target is next final exam. Array Pearson they contain atomic structure. Even NEET book you have that also contain. JEE book also that contain. Huh? You may can check it. If you don't have, you may can request. I will forward again. Thank you very much. అరే ఫోన్ తీసుకోరు ఒకసారి దానిలో మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ ఉన్నట్టుంది అబ్బా ఫోన్ వచ్చిందా ఫోన్ కాదు నేను అక్కడ తాళం లేదు రాయలు అడ్డుబండి అని ఎవడో ఫోన్ చేసిండ్రా అందుకే పోయింది ఇది సిగ్నల్ మరి 5 వరకు కదా ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా 2 ఉంటాయి కదరా ఇదేంద్రా నాయన